Today, we take it for granted that we live in a lacy spiral disk of galaxy, the Milky Way, one of many galaxies more or less like it in the universe, with vast stretches of space between them. Early in the 20th century, not everyone accepted this picture. It was the American astronomer Edwin Hubble who, in the 1920s, showed that there are indeed many galaxies besides our own. Is there any pattern to the movement of these galaxies? Hubble showed that there is, with one of the most revolutionary discoveries of the century: the distant galaxies are all moving away from us. In simple words, the universe is expanding. Hubble found that the more distant a galaxy is, the more rapidly it's moving away from us, twice as far, twice as fast. We observe some extremely distant galaxies receding as fast as 2/3 the speed of light. Does that mean every star in the universe is moving away from us? Well, no. Our near neighbors are milling around, some approaching, and some receding. It is between clusters of galaxies that space is expanding. Expansion of the universe is not as things rushing away from one another, but as space between them swelling. Imagine a loaf of raisin bread rising in the oven. As the dough swells, the raisins move apart. If galaxies are receding from us and from each other, then unless something has changed drastically somewhere along the line, they used to be much closer together. At some moment in the past, wouldn't they all have been in exactly the same place? All the enormous amount of matter in the universe packed in a single point, infinitely dense? Did everything come out from a black hole? That isn't the only possible history of an expanding universe. When scientists talk about the expanding universe, they mean that it has been growing ever since its beginning with the Big Bang. This game of universe might be unending or infinite, or even just theoretical. Thank you for watching.